What are some fashion tips for petite women?
Hello, and welcome to today's fashion guide. We're going to talk about an important topic, particularly if you're on the shorter side: fashion tips for petite women. Dressing for your body type can have a massive impact on your overall look and confidence. So, let's dive right into it.
What does petite mean in fashion?
The term petite in fashion typically refers to women 5 feet 4 inches and under. It's about the fitting of clothes rather than body size. The clothes are often designed with different proportions to cater to shorter women. The aim is to create styles that flatter your frame and enhance your natural charm.
How to choose the right clothes?
The right clothes can help elongate your silhouette and create an illusion of height. Here are some tips. 1. Wear high-waisted bottoms. High-waisted skirts, shorts, and trousers can make your legs appear longer. 2. Opt for vertical patterns. Vertical stripes or other vertical patterns can help create the illusion of height. 3. Go for well-fitted clothes. Avoid clothes that are too loose or oversized, as they may overwhelm your petite figure. 4. Embrace V-necks. V-neck tops or dresses can elongate your upper body. 5. Choose monochrome or similar colors. Dressing in one color or similar shades can create an uninterrupted vertical line, giving an illusion of height.
What about accessories?
Accessories play a crucial role in enhancing your outfit. Here are some tips. 1. Choose the right shoe. Heels can add height, but if comfort is key, opt for pointed flats which can help elongate the look of your legs. 2. Mind the size of your handbag. An oversized bag may dwarf your figure. Choose a bag proportional to your body size. 3. Opt for longer necklaces. Long necklaces can help elongate your torso, making you appear taller. 4. Keep your belt narrow. Wide belts can cut your body in half visually. Opt for a narrow belt to maintain the illusion of height.
Can petite women wear maxi dresses or oversized clothes?
Yes, absolutely. It's a myth that petite women can't wear long dresses or oversized clothes. The key is proportion and tailoring. 1. Maxi dresses. Choose one with a high waist and pair it with heels. 2. Oversized clothes. Ensure they are not too long, and pair with something fitted to balance the look. Remember, these are just tips, not rules. The most important thing is that you feel confident and comfortable in what you wear. Your style is a reflection of you. We hope these tips have given you some ideas on how to enhance your petite style. Until next time, stay stylish.